Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will showing how to delete OnlyFans account. Since there is no any official application of OnlyFans, so you need to delete your account from any browser according to your preference. For now, let's open our Chrome browser. On the search bar, click over there and search onlyfans.com. It will direct you to your official account. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now you will get to see settings on these options. Tap on it. When you enter on the settings section, you will get to see account. Tap on it. Now you need to scroll down and tap on delete account. To delete your account permanently, you need to verify this code. After that, tap on delete account. A pop-up will be shown where you will be asked, "Are you sure you want to delete your account?" Then tap on yes, delete. You need to wait for 15 seconds. And this is how you delete your OnlyFans account. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.